Happy New Year, everybody! Wheel Collectors is hot off the truck. We have a case that I think you're going to find interesting. This right here is pearl and chrome. 24 car case. We're going to keep it short and simple today. Hope you guys are having a festive day today. I'm going to show you some pearl and chrome. We're going to give you the top-down view of pearl and chrome. Then we're going to go 3x3. This is the third special set like this. They did a 50th and then they did a 51st, and this is the 52nd anniversary. Special set. Special card backs, special coloring. And they've got some good models in this case, guys. So the first three cars in this case are the fast bed hauler. Secondly, there's 6 cars in this set. And as you can see, it's got that special chrome on it. And I kind of like the color of that chrome. It's cool. But it's a 6-car set, and then there's a chase car in it. And I'll show you that also. So there's a good look at the fast bed hauler. The next 2 cars of the first 3 were both 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, which is one of the best cars that Mattel's done this decade, in my humble opinion. It's just a sharp, bad to the bone looking car. So there's the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Good look at it. The next 3 cars in the case, you can see there, they're all the Gasser. The next 3 cars are all the same thing. Could take a quick look there. This is the Muscle Speeder. See the 52 on the side door there. Take a quick look at the back of the car. I don't know if we've been showing you the backs, but the backs of the cars on these specialty and smaller boxes usually have the whole full set shown on the back of the card. That's kind of cool. The next 3 in the case, we've had, okay, so this is the fast bed hauler. We've had that before. Then there's the Chase and the 32 Ford. I'll show you the 32 Ford first. Again, it's got the 52 on the door there. It's got chrome all over the engine. I really like this car. I think they're really cool. And then the chase car, which also has the 52 on the door, is the Gazella GT. The whole thing is chromed out. Give you a good look at the Gazella. There's the Chase. So the Chase is obviously 1 per case. It's been pretty popular. The next 3 in the case are these 3. And again, you just saw the 32 Ford. Here's the Volkswagen T2 pickup, which is always a crowd favorite. You can see they chromed out the whole entire bed of the truck. Got the 52 on the door also. The next 3 in the case are all of the Volkswagen. And then the last 6 in the box, pull those out there, and that box is done. Okay, so we've got the fast bed hauler again. We've got the Volkswagen T2 pickup again. And then we have the Gas Monkey Corvette. The chromed out engine popping through the hood. Everybody loves the Gas Monkey Corvette. There's a good look at that. And then the last 3 cars in the case are all the Gas Monkey Corvette. Very cool little special set there. Let me give you a real quick top-down view of the whole case. Thank you guys again for your support and following us. This is Wheel Collectors, hot off the truck. Happy New Year, everybody.